All right, let's take a look at graphing our absolute value functions. So remember, what absolute value is, it is the distance away from 0. So remember, the absolute value of -5 is 5, absolute value of 5 is 5, so on and so forth. Absolute value of -8, most people remember the negatives, but the positives are also the positives. So if you look at the parent function here, 0, 0, 1, 1 is also the same as -1 is 1. 2, 2, -2, the absolute value of -2 is 2. So you get that over and over and over again. X equals 0 is your axis of symmetry. And your slope, in a sense, your slope here is 1. So here your slope is 1, here your slope is -1. So this would be your right side slope, your left side slope, right side slope. So you can see that. A couple other things, remember your transformations here. This negative is a reflection over the x-axis. This right here is your vertical stretch by 2. Remember, this is going to shift everything left 3. This is going to shift everything up 6. So keep that in mind. Here, your right side slope is -2. Your left side slope is +2. You're getting that from your beginning, and you're kind of looking at your different concepts. All right, so characteristics, they're V-shaped. You have your vertex at your starting spot, or HK if you got transformations. It's symmetry at the y-axis, or x is equal to 0, or symmetry at x is equal to -3. So your symmetry is always going to be the x value of your vertex, and then your different slopes. So how to graph it? First, we're going to identify and plot the vertex. Then you're going to look at the right side slope, and then use that symmetry to graph the left side slope. All right, so let's take a look at this one. So 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 minus 4. So we're starting off, I'm going to work your way through this. So I got a vertex here at 2, -4, because it goes right 2, and down 4. We're pretty good at transformations now. So right 2 and down 4, there's my vertex. This gives me my right side slope. So I'm going to go up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, as many as you want to. And then to get the left side, we're just going to do the opposite. So left side slope is going to be the opposite, so -3. So I'm going to go up 3, left 1, up 3, left 1, up 3, left 1. And you got your absolute value, V. And we're good to go. All right, let's look at another one. These are pretty straightforward. I like these a lot. So here, graph the function -1/2 times x, the absolute value of x plus 2, and then plus 4. So my vertex here is at -2, 4. My right side slope is -1/2. So my left side slope's got to be +1/2. Okay? So if we take a look at this, -2, 4 is my starting spot. My right side slope, I'm going to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. And then to get the left side, I'm going to go down 1 over 2 the other way. And we have our graph. Cool. Does anybody have any questions? I hope you don't. But what we're going to do is take a look at that and make sure we got our graph, we're practicing, and we are good to go. So hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later.